Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? My name is Larry Jones. If you are new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Today is different. I want to wish all of the mothers happy Mother's Day. I have a special video that I'm going to play at the end of this video, so please watch this to the end. It means a lot to me. Today is Mother's Day. But before I get to that, I'm gonna briefly talk about what happened this week. We know what happens. We know the Fed was talking. We know we had a green day over 1,000 points, and then we know that Thursday, the market plummeted at one time, almost, the Dow down almost 1,400 points, and then it ends negative. Okay. Then Friday, another sell-off, mostly of fear. And, there's a lot of things that I see. I see that the S&P could probably, go as low as 38.40 is what I see, from 38.40 to 39. I'll discuss the reasoning for that. I'll discuss Monday. And it has to do with a lot of the stimulus money that, pumped the market up. If you pretty much take away the first stimulus, because we lost that much in, you could say GDP. So the first stimulus check was verified. And if you look at where the market was after that, you could see that the other stimulus checks just pretty much pumped the market up. And so this is where it could come back down to, I believe, the S&P down to 38. And I think that I could, me personally, I'll start buying strongly at that point. Okay, so that's what's happening. We'll see if the second quarter, if GDP going down negative, and that's gross domestic product, and inflation is still going up, then we will know, in fact, if we are already in a bear market. I'm sorry, if we're already in a recession. A lot of people think we all already are in a recession, and it looks like and seems like it, but we won't know, in fact, if we're already in a recession until we get next quarter's GDP numbers. Okay, so let's just wait for the facts. Having said that, we know that the best thing to be doing right now is DCA, dollar cost averaging. For those of you that don't know what that is, it's pretty much taking the same amount of money for investing. Now, there's a way to dollar cost average. If you bought a stock high and you want to bring the average down, then you keep buying on the way down, and you keep buying it. And the lower you buy it, it brings your dollar cost average down. All right. And, that's a principle that's done in swing trading. Okay. But in investing, DCA, dollar cost averaging, is simply taking, about the same amount of money at the same amount of time, meaning every week, bi-weekly, monthly. And what a lot of people do is based on when they get paid. So if you get paid monthly, you buy the same amount of the same stock every month. All right. And you do that for years. That's long-term DCA, dollar cost averaging. If it's $100 a week, then that's where every week you buy $100 worth of the same stock. Okay. For those of you that your mothers are here, please call them and tell them you love them, celebrate them. For those of you that your moms are not here, just as remembrance, leave their names in the chat, and we're going to celebrate the legacy that they have left. Okay, we're going to celebrate the legacy of the moms that are gone. All right. And so just do that. Only the ones that your moms are not here. Let's celebrate the legacy of the mothers. And there's just something special about the love of a mother. It is unconditional. And my mom unconditionally loved everybody. There's 9 of us, and you better believe there was a lot of times when I got on my mom's nerves, but she still loved me unconditionally. So I'm going to play a video that I beg everyone to watch. And if you really like this video, I want you to send it to somebody, because I wrote this video. I envisioned, I wrote this song produced it, shot it, edited, and actually videoed it. And it's called Dear Mama Tender Love. And I wrote this song as my mom was dying. The young man that's in the video, that's featured in the video, his name is Keon. And he's like a son to me. And so I took some of the things that his mom meant to him and some of the things that my mom meant to me, and I wrote this song. I hope you enjoy it. It's called Dear Mama Tender Love. I want you to watch it. And I'm going to leave a link here that will just have the video if you just want to send that to someone. But for those of you that are moms and you feel underappreciated, I want you especially to listen to this song, okay? It's called Dear Mama Tender Love. We celebrate you moms, and you guys pray for me. I will be back strong Monday, regardless of the market. But it's different. It's just different this year from me, okay? I love each and every one of you guys. There are things that are worth more than money, okay? And that's relationships. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Check this video out, please. Hey, Key, I just finished these tracks, man, and I'm on my way. I got the letter too. And remember, just let her know how you feel. She really needs to hear it.
Hey, Keon, what's up?
Hey, Ma, listen. Drop what you're doing. I need you to show up to the Auditorium Theater at 5 o'clock.
You really expect me to drop what I'm doing to come to the auditorium? You know how much stuff I have to do today?
Look, just trust me on this. Wear something nice and just show up, please.
Keon, the things I do for you. Okay, I'll be there, baby.
All right.
Dear mama, I took the time to write you a letter. Heard you were down, hope this make you feel better. Sorry for the things I put you through. Thank you for your love and all the things you do. Your wisdom, grace, tender loving care. Come what may, you were always right there. And now I can clearly see all the tender love you've given to me. Your favorite one, I thought I was, gotta keep it real. But then I found out that's how you made all of us feel. And every Sunday morning, at the crack of dawn, you took us to church to give God His first. You told me that love was better than hate. Clocking hours on the job, keeping food on the plate. Can't thank you enough, but now I see all the tender love you've given to me.
Your love is tender, such a blessing to me. So I need it yesterday, it's stressful to me. I thank the Lord that I have you, He was a blessing to add you. I say I love you and hug you like every time that I pass you. I know it's long overdue. I send you flowers and gifts, and as soon as I'm out of your presence, you I instantly miss. I feel the tender love that's given, I notice it when it's gone. And you're the reason I'm so strong, I mention it in this song. I love you, you're amazing, and I pray for you daily. I love you. I may be grown, Mom, but I still love you. I still need your loving.
Your love is all I need. It's all I need. Your love is all I need. It's all I need. Your love. Dear mama. Nothing but your love. Your love is all. Always there for me, unconditionally. And when I was sick, you took good care of me. I took it for granted, but now I see all the tender love you've given to me.
I love you.